What's going on Facebook? This Mike here, Trushine cleaning. Here at a repeat customer house. Got my sister with me. So, vacuuming out this furniture right now. See? Oh, yeah. Hey, how you doing, sir? I'm doing pretty good. Say it again. Is it still hot out there? Oh, yeah. Yep. She vacuuming the carpets right now, vacuuming out the furniture. So, we're doing this chair, we're going to this chair, and it's another chair in the back we're going to do. So, I've done this furniture before. I've done this carpet. I've done this whole house actually. I've done every carpet in this house. I think I've done that sofa as well, but not really sure. So I know I've done this chair here, so let me get massage real fast. Let me get it. So I did this chair before. It's a lot of wear and tear on this, so it's not gonna come out. So I'm just gonna clean it the best way I can, but when it comes to these little stains here, it's not gonna come out. So there's a lot of wear and tear over the years. But that's pretty much it. The carpet's not bad at all. So, doing this little hallway here. So you guys have the results. Thanks for watching. Alright, you guys, so we just got done doing the 3 rooms in the hallway, 2 pieces of furniture. So as you can see, carpets came out great. A little spot lighting up pretty good. As you can see, this wear and tear, nothing we can do about that, but overall the furniture came out great. So showing you guys that. Here go the other room. With this being this is 2 rooms right here. This is like a living room, dining room combo, and this long hallway. So other than that, everything came out great. So getting ready to head to the next one. Thanks for watching. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? So I'm here. I'm back at a repeat client. Mind you, today is Friday, July the 9th. Me and my sister, we came up here earlier this week, and we cleaned this carpet. Mind you, I've been working with her for about a good 3 years. Very, very good client of mine. She reaches out to me at least twice a year to come and get her carpets clean, furniture clean. I've actually done her whole house before, but this time we just came and did the first level carpet. Mind you, she got 3 levels in this house. So we did the first living room, dining room, and they also have a back area. And we cleaned three couches, 3 chairs, I mean. So show you guys. Clean this chair, all of this carpet, clean that chair as well. And it's another room in the back, but the customer, she's back there, so I'm not gonna put her on camera. But I came back today because she had texted me yesterday, letting me know that she still smells some odor in the house after we left. And she just told me about 3 minutes ago that usually when I clean the carpet, the house smells fresh, you know, for a couple of days, you know. So and that's when I leave my odor protector on the carpet. I did the same thing Saturday. I mean, when we was just here earlier this week, but for some reason, she still smelled something. So I came back this morning. I got here about 6:40 a.m. and I just got done low moisture cleaning the carpet. I applied my odor control to the carpet again, and I think I know what I did wrong. I kind of mixed some. I mixed something a little different. Only really for the back room, not really for these two rooms. The back room had more traffic than this, but I mixed something a little different in the back, and I think that's where the smell was coming from. So I low moisture cleaned all of this carpet, and now I'm getting ready to head out. Right now, I'm raking. Um, I'm raking the odor control into the carpet. So hopefully this solves the problem. But yeah, like I said, this customer, I've been working with her for 3 years, so I had no, I have no, I had no problem. Can't even get my words right. I had no problem coming out here and solving this problem for her. Like I say, like she's one of the customers I've been working with for a while. One of the first biggest jobs I ever done. She has 10 areas of carpet in this house. I basically cleaned all her chairs. Like it was probably like 2020, 2019. I came here and cleaned all her carpet, all her furniture in one day. It took about 8 hours. One of the biggest jobs I ever did at a residential house. So, but yeah, this video was basically because of that. So I had to come back to this customer's house to fix this problem, and it was no problem, free of charge. I didn't charge her anything to come back. So that's one of the things, to keep your customers happy, you got to kind of go a little bit over and beyond for them. So that's just something that uh, I've been dealing with. This is one of the first times I ever had to really come back to a customer house. So